What's up, everybody? Malcolm with Gifted Hands Appliance Repair here, coming back at you with another repair video. For those of you who don't know what we do on this channel, we repair appliances, we answer questions, and most importantly, we show you how to do things on your own. So if y'all can smash that like button, smash the subscribe button, smash the share button, drop a comment, leave some feedback, negative or positive. It doesn't really matter because whatever it does, it helps the channel. So without further ado, let's get into it. Yo, what's up, YouTube? Got the famous Samsung refrigerator here. I know this isn't a common design, but it's a top mount freezer here. And you got the bottom mount refrigerator. Now, this is an R600A refrigerator. Let me see if I can get up on the name tag here. R600A. See that? Refrigerant type R600A. So the customer's complaint is that the freezer gets semi-cool, but there's nothing happening down here in the refrigerator. So these are both twin cooling refrigerators. So you got zone 1, zone 2. Well, excuse me. Zone 1, zone 2. So if you're getting a little bit of cooling up here, but none down there, we could be possibly dealing with the restriction. So when I let the gas go, because it's isobutane, if you don't know what a can of R600A looks like, R600A isobutane refrigerant. So you do need a special adapter to hook onto your gauges for this in order for it to work. But here's our system back here. So we got a small condenser. Note that butane, it really doesn't take much of a charge to get this thing going. So as you can see here, a lot of people will tell you do not solder because of this message here. It's flammable, it's explosive. But if you open these lines up, let them ventilate, and then purge dry nitrogen through the system at around about 80 psi, you don't have to worry about any of this stuff catching on fire. So this was lock ring, that was lock ring, there was a lock ring there, and here it was just a straight solder joint. So what led me to believe that I can do some soldering on here is that there's always some joints that's already soldered. But see, as you can see, I got the service tap there on the compressor, got the new filter dryer with the service tap here, and the next step would be for me to add some refrigerant and start monitoring temperatures to see what it's like. The only way that I'll be able to tell what's wrong with the refrigeration system is if I can identify if it's it could be a leak. It could be a leak in here. I've done a demo video of me cutting out the back of a refrigerator, and let me tell you, it's not pretty, it's ugly, but it can be done. So these are one of my project refrigerators that I'm going to do some demolition on to get it working. But I want to show everybody how to work on R600A systems. They're really, really not that hard to work on, and a lot of people are scared of the fact of it blowing up. Well, it's only flammable if you do not remove the R600A. R600A is environmentally friendly, so as long as you're not ventilating it in a closed space, you should not have any problems at all. So I've got like 15 other repairs that I have to do. So this video, I will be making updates as I work on it throughout the week, just to keep you informed. And again, remember, ladies and gentlemen, although this is flammable, the work that you perform does not have to be flammable at all. So I'm just gonna give you a peek intro of what we're gonna be doing the next time around before we even get back to charging up anything. I'm gonna come in here. I'm gonna gut the freezer. I'm gonna gut the fridge. We're gonna expose every single last one of these lines. We're gonna do a leak test. We're gonna do a UV dye test. And we will definitely find out where this leak is. So if you wanna learn how to work on R600A systems, this is not my first rodeo. I've actually done about 15 of them. This is a Samsung one. Just know that LG's coming out with them, Samsung's coming out with them, Whirlpool's coming out with them, Gen Air. All of the major appliance repair companies are coming out with these R600A designs. Yes, isobutane is definitely it's environmentally friendly, but it causes for more failures. Every refrigerator that I've been to that's been an R600A fridge, there's been a big failure within the refrigeration system. So I don't know if the active ingredients or chemicals in this are safe for long-term use in copper, aluminum, and steel lines, but whatever the case may be, we're gonna get it fixed. Again, I'm gonna show you this model number. This is the actual sticker that it comes with from the factory. And this is an R600A refrigerator. So just want to thank everybody for tuning in, and we will get to the second video and we're gonna dig deep. But thank you guys so much for tuning in. I love all of y'all. Appreciate the support.